I used to be able to drive. I used to be able to transfer for myself. I used to be able to wash my own hair. It doesn't sound like much, but it's a lot. I've lived with SMA all my life. I don't know a different life. When I was young, I was using a scooter. As I got older, I started to need a wheelchair. My parents had really instilled in me, just because I couldn't walk, there's no reason I shouldn't be able to go to school, the same school my sister and my brother went to. Even though you have a disability, we work really hard, and we do, as an outsider in an able-bodied world, try to fit in. SMA is known as spinal muscular atrophy. There are, I believe, 4 different types. I'm type 3. You do lose muscle mass, and long-term you just lose function and ability, including lungs, heart, everything. Thinking about my future, maintaining the ability to feed myself, it's a goal. I would never have thought that would have been a goal. I am so happy to know that there are options for children who are born currently, and that they have access to certain treatments. I'd love for there to be an adult treatment that would then mitigate my loss, at least even stagnate it, slow it down, because there's so much that I'm not able to do. One thing right now that I'm realizing is that as I've left the workforce, I'm relying more and more on other social network groups that have associations with SMA or MD, because I now can 1000% relate, and I want to relate, and I don't want to hide anymore that I can't do things that other people can do, and that, yeah, when we make reservations to go for dinner, I ask for an extra hour for that seating. I'm Stephanie Lee, and I call it SMA.